FB005, 0x803FB017 on Microsoft Store and Windows PC. Now 1. Restart your computer. Close Microsoft Store completely. Save your work. Restart your PC. Open Microsoft Store again. Try installing the app or game. 2. Run Microsoft Store Apps Troubleshooter. Open Settings. Go to System. Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Store Apps. Click Run. Apply all recommended fixes. Restart your PC. Now trick 3. Clear Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows R. Type wsreset.exe. Press Enter. Wait for Microsoft Store to reopen. Retry the installation. 4. Sign out and sign back into Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store, click your profile icon, select Sign Out, close the store, reopen it, sign back in with your Microsoft account. Try the installation again. Step 5. Repair Microsoft Store, open Settings, go to Apps, Installed Apps, select Microsoft Store, click Advanced Options, choose Repair. Launch Microsoft Store, test the download. 6. Reset Microsoft Store, open Settings, Apps, select Microsoft Store, open Advanced Options, click Reset, confirm the action, restart your PC, sign in again if required. 7. Check date, time, and region settings. Open Settings, Time and Language, enable Set Time Automatically, set Time Zone Automatically, click Sync Now, verify your region is correct, restart Microsoft Store. 8. Install Windows Updates. Open Settings, Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. Install all available updates. Restart your PC. Try installing the app game again. Now 9. Re-register Microsoft Store. Open PowerShell as administrator. Run. Get AppX package, all users, Microsoft.Windows Store, 4H, add AppX package, disable development mode, register, .install location, appxmanifest.xml. Wait for the process to finish. Restart your PC. Open Microsoft Store. 10. Repair system files, open command prompt as administrator, run sfc scannow. After completion, run dism/online, clean up image, restore health, restart your computer, try the installation again. Bonus fix, if 0x803FB005 or 0x803FB017 still appears, open Settings. Apps, locate Gaming Services, click Advanced Options, select Repair or Reset, restart your PC, retry the installation. These solutions can fix Microsoft Store error codes 0x803FB005 and 0x803FB017 caused by corrupted store cache, account synchronization issues, gaming services problems, damaged system files, or Windows Update component failures on Windows 11 and Windows 10.